What up, beautiful people? David coming at you live. Today, let's go over everything green Apple just released, starting with the new iPhone 11 Pro. First initial impression, that matte is gorgeous. The camera bump, it's big, looks good. Just like when the iPhone X came out, we all thought that looked a little crazy. Now that's just the standard. I'm sure this will become the standard soon too. The bump up is much, much smaller. Let me see if we can get a comparison of that. Now the phone itself is slightly thicker, but the bump itself is not bad, not bad. Great job, Apple. Either that or they've hidden it very well, because there's even a slighter bump as far as the cameras themselves go. Inside the package, designed by Apple. Not sure why they didn't put assembled in China. We have the hello, the stickers. Do anyone still use stickers? I'll be needing this later to throw my SIM card in. Nice that they include one. They always have. Wow, look at that. AirPods are included in the iPhone 11 Pro. Really nice. Wireless charging and everything. Yeah, no, not happening. Not yet. Even though you're paying over $1,000 for this phone, you are getting wired headphones that are going to be left in a drawer and you won't be using. Luckily though, this time around they did include a larger charging brick, which is USB-C, obviously faster. I want to throw a little comparison here. It looks about 3 times the size. They should have did this with the iPhone 10. They didn't. They didn't last year. It's nice that they did it this year. And then obviously the cable is USB-C to Lightning. Wish it was, USB-C to USB-C. That would have been nice. We'll start with the leather case. First initial impression, that's a great color. That matches pretty well. We'll put it on the phone here in a second. Glossed out buttons, just like the bezels on the iPhone. So putting it on the case, well, I guess before we do that, let's just compare the colors. I mean, that's a different color. That is not the same color. But obviously once it's on, you're covering all the green except for the camera bump, by the way, is not even flush. It's the case is a little higher, so you'll get that slight bit of protection. Really nice though. I like it. Moving on, we have the iPhone 11 Pro silicone case. This one I like because it will be more grippier. So if we take this out here, let's go. Look at that. I feel like this one would be more true to color. Ooh, yeah. So if I did compare these side by side so you can kind of get an idea, as you can see, they're clearly different colors. The buttons are also different too. You see that? These are metal buttons. These are plastic buttons. The leather over time that will age and have more of a grippy feel. Right now it's not nearly as grippy as the silicone. Okay, putting the silicone case on. I think it really boils down to preference at the end of the day. They both feel nice, so that's good to know. All right, last, let's check out the Watchband. Now with this Watchband, you obviously get 2 different sizes. I personally like using the smaller one, even though I'm on the second to last notch. I've got the stainless steel gold color. So clearly this is, if you're that guy or gal that likes to really match it up, nice and solid, matching, you can't go wrong. Let's see how it pairs up with the leather case. As you can see, not bad, goes. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be many, many more videos to come. This is just a start. Got me some $2 bills. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, throw me a comment below. Let me know which setup you like better. Also, check out the video I just made on all the cases Apple just released for the new iPhones. And as always, don't be shy to hit that subscribe button.